Today we went on a transect through the Sandusky Bay, starting in Put in Bay, and we traveled to 3 stations by 2 Bowling Green buoys and another site, which is a NOAA and NASA sampling site that we have a long-term data set for.
This is part of a National Science Foundation funded program called Project Sea Change.
Well, we study cyanobacterial blooms, these toxic blooms which form in the lake, and we need to sample these regularly to measure the extent of the bloom, to measure their toxicity, and try to understand about how these blooms form, the genes that are involved in yielding bloom formation and bloom persistence. Experiential learning is getting people involved in a particular issue by having them actually do the work that's happening on a particular site.
And that enables students to get a much more sort of transformative experience in terms of their attitudes and their skills and their knowledge in a much more comprehensive way than they could with either the theory or the practice alone.
It was very important for faculty to get a better understanding of what's involved in designing experiential learning opportunities for students, because faculty are the ones that offer and lead and guide students throughout.
I think it's very good that Bowling Green kind of incorporates a lot of field learning and service learning into their curriculum. I think it gives students a real taste of what's going on in the world, how real scientists sample, and it gives them an idea of why they should care about the science that we report and what these numbers really have to do with their water quality that they're drinking. I think it brings it back into the community.
We are aiming at making BGSU a university distinguished by the highest quality in experiential education.
I think I will definitely be more marketable because of my field experiences. I think that's definitely something that I can put down and employers can see I have had real world experience. I can sample, I can carry out these kind of experiments, and I can be held accountable for them.
Those skills go way beyond what's learned in a typical classroom, but are essential skills for success in a career.